Ever dreamed of effortlessly growing your wealth while spending on everyday purchases? You're not alone. But can you achieve this with Acorns? Specifically, does Acorns offer credit cards? Let's dive in. Acorns is a popular micro-investing platform that aims to make investing accessible and effortless. It's designed to round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change. This spare change investing approach has gained traction, but does it extend to credit cards? The short answer is no. Acorns does not currently offer its own branded credit cards. While Acorns itself doesn't have a credit card, there are a few ways to leverage Acorns alongside your existing credit card usage. Round up purchases with existing credit cards. Acorns can still round up your purchases even if you're using a different credit card. You simply link your bank account to Acorns, and Acorns will track your spending and automatically invest the spare change. Explore credit cards with rewards programs. Many credit cards offer rewards programs, such as cash back, points, or miles. You can utilize these rewards to contribute to your Acorns account. For example, you could redeem your points for cashback and then deposit that cash into your Acorns account. Consider credit cards with charitable giving options. Some credit cards allow you to donate a portion of your spending to a charity of your choice. You could choose a charity that aligns with your investment goals, such as environmental conservation or education, and indirectly support your Acorns investments. Deep dive: Acorns investment strategy. Acorns primarily focuses on investing in diversified portfolios of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These ETFs offer exposure to various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Acorns offers different investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Benefits of using Acorns. Automation. Acorns automates the investment process, making it incredibly easy to start and maintain your investments. Accessibility. Acorns lowers the barrier to entry for investing by allowing you to invest small amounts of money. Diversification. Acorns provides access to diversified portfolios, which can help reduce investment risk. Flexibility. Acorns offers various investment plans to suit different needs and risk tolerances. Potential drawbacks of Acorns. Fees. Acorns charges a small management fee for its services. Limited control. Acorns' automated investment strategy may not be suitable for investors who prefer more control over their investments. Market volatility. As with any investment, the value of your Acorns investments can fluctuate due to market volatility. Tips for maximizing Acorns usage. Link all your spending accounts. By linking all your bank accounts, you can maximize the amount of spare change that Acorns can invest. Utilize the Found Money feature. Acorns' Found Money feature allows you to earn rewards from participating retailers. Regularly review your investment portfolio. Acorns provides tools to monitor your investment performance and adjust your portfolio as needed. Consider increasing your investment contributions. As your income grows, consider increasing your contributions to Acorns to accelerate your investment growth. Alternative micro-investing platforms. While Acorns is a popular choice, other micro-investing platforms are available, such as Stash, Robinhood, and Betterment. These platforms offer similar features to Acorns, such as automated investing and fractional shares, but with different investment strategies and fee structures. Before investing with any platform, it's crucial to consider your ethical and social values. Research the companies and funds in which Acorns invests to ensure they align with your values. While Acorns doesn't have its own credit card, you can still leverage its micro-investing features alongside your existing credit card usage. By strategically utilizing your credit card rewards and exploring credit cards with charitable giving options, you can maximize your investment potential. If you're interested in learning more about Acorns or other micro-investing platforms, I encourage you to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.